Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami tree. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe. And for this project, we'll be using 2 sheets of origami, one brown and one green. And you'll also need some glue. Let's get started. Alright, start off folding it in half diagonally. Make sure to do nice sharp folds. You just want to fold. Crease. Next, from right here, you just want to unfold. And you just want to fold this flap to the middle. Fold. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring this flap to the middle. Fold. Now that you have this, from here, all you have to do is flip it over and fold this up until that line. Fold, and then unfold, flip it over, open these two flaps up, and then fold this back in. Fold it up, just like this. Now fold these back down. Alright, now you're done with the tree top. Next, to make the stump, you're going to grab a piece of paper. You just want to start off by folding it in half diagonally again. Fold. Now, flip it over. And then, from here, just want to fold it in half regularly. Unfold, turn it, and fold it again. Fold. Now that you have this, you can just push these lines in just like this, and crease, fold. Next, now that you have this right here, it doesn't matter what side's facing you, you're just gonna fold this in half. Fold. Next, just fold this to the middle. Just like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Bring this to the middle. Fold. Now, you can use some glue. If this doesn't stay down, just grab some glue. And you just want to put some glue on this middle part right here. And then put all the glue, and then push it back on. And now you're done with the stump. Now, to put it together, keep the open parts facing up. And you're just going to unfold these flaps here. And then just put some glue on where you want it. So like about right there is pretty good. And then you just want to place it down like this. And now just put some glue. Start from here until this end. Put some glue there, do this, and then just press it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Put some glue from there to there. And then press it down. And now, done with your origami tree. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos. And we'll see y'all next time.